Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. I know arranging documents and keeping things in mobile phone is nowadays very difficult for you. So today I am going to show you the steps how you can save your work in your classroom app. So without any delay, let us start these steps. But before that, if you are new, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the like button. So the steps are very simple. Just you have to open the classroom mobile phone, and as you see in the stream section, I already posted so many work of my class. So in the similar way, when you will post something new, it will come in your stream section. So simply I will go to the classwork section, and then here you can find the classwork in subject wise manner. English literature, computer, maths, all are separated by a topic. So by clicking on the plus sign, I will see this type of icon. Here you will see the assignment, question, material, reuse, post and topic. Suppose any new topic you want to add in the listing, then you will click on topic section. Here you can add your own topic. Suppose for an example, adding here EVS, environmental science, EVS, environmental studies, and then my topic is added. Yeah, it will come on top. So my topic is now added. So currently there is no assignment or new material under EVS topic, so it will be empty. So then I'll click on material, because in this video I'm going to show you how to add the material or the chapters. So I'm going to add one of the chapter of computer. So I'm going to put the title as chapter 7 and the name of the chapter, and the name of the chapter is MS Paint. In description section, it's a optional section, you want to write or not. So I want to write because I want to give some detail that what all included in this file. So it includes hard words and also the short note. So it's done. So now coming to the topic section, so I will choose from here computer topic, because whatever I am adding is all related to computer. So computer is selected. Now I'm going to choose my file, but before that I want to show you the file that I already created. So this one is the file, Word file, which I already created. This file I'm going to upload in the computer section. So from top I will go to pin, and then I will choose the file from where I will upload the file which I already made. So hence I selected my file from my file is selected, and then it will going to upload. See, you can find it down, chapter 7 computer, down my file is uploaded. And then I'll click on the triangle which is at the top. One more thing, you can even select the students to whom you want to send this document. So here I can select as per my choice, suppose 3 students, 2 students, but currently I want to share with all students, so I will select the all student section. So everything is done. Now I'll click on the triangle section at the top, and my material is posted and when my material is created. Students can easily see my material from the stream section, and even you can check your material from here, chapter 7 computer, and see, yeah, it's correct. In stream section, see, now it's posted on stream section as well. The time is visible there, and students can add their comment that ma'am we have done, or if they have any query regarding the material, even they can ask directly here. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more such video. Thank you for watching.